I started my own company here a few years ago called Backroads Consulting. Some of the service I provide is scouting, soil sampling, stand counts early in the season, herbicide recommendations, fungicide recommendations.
Shawn provides us imagery with his drone a lot of times, whether it's just aerial snapshots or it's NDVI information.
I just look at it as another tool in the toolbox to help them make decisions for overall crop health. With the FieldView imagery, there may be a farm I come across like, well, what's going on here? So what I'll end up doing is then going to that farm, flying the drone and getting a good NDVI picture of that field that I can then export to FieldView, now start overlaying the prescription maps that maybe Logan's done or soil fertility maps, or there's something else to compare. With a drone, you can get really detailed imagery to go with everything else you've already done.
I think he has a pretty keen eye on being able to see certain things that maybe are happening with the crop, either with the imagery or actually being in the field.